Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a plug switch combo. Switch is going to be for a switched outlet below, for a fan, and a regular receptacle for the bench top. So to begin with, we have our wires from our receptacle from the bottom, our hot and our neutral. We have our incoming from the panel, our hot and neutral. And we have our outgoing that feeds another set of plugs, our hot and neutral. So in order for this to work, what we need to do is we need the commons to be connected through. So we're going to take all the common wires and if I can, here we go. I'm going to twist all these commons together. Then we'll go ahead and wire nut that up. And we'll put that back in the box. So what we're going to have here is this will be a switch leg. This goes down to our plug down below. This is what's going to turn that plug on. So that will go to one side of the switch. We need power to go to the switch and to the outlet that we'll be putting here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pigtail these wires together, these two wires together, the feed and the outfeed, together with two separate wires. So, I'll put those back in the box. So, what we have here is two hot wires, a neutral, and a switch leg. Again, these are what we're going to use. So basically, one of these black wires that I pigtailed and the switch are going to go like this. These two, the common and the hot, are going to be installed to the plug. And in theory, that should allow this plug to be always have power to it, and the plug below to have a switch. So again, I'm using these covers from Ace Hardware, which are not the best, and I don't recommend them at all. We have to cut the tabs or the ears off of our switch and our plug. I've already done the switch. And we will go ahead and hook our plug up. It doesn't matter which black I use here because they're both going to be hot. Again, on a plug, brass is hot, chrome is not. So put that on there, like so. Twist. And we'll tighten it up. We'll do the same to this side. And now our ground wire. Okay. Now for a switch, it doesn't matter what hot or switch leg goes. They're both going to be hot when the switch is on. So what we'll do is go ahead and I don't like these switches with the lugs like this, just because they're awkward. All possible, I like to cinch the screws down around the screws, the wire around the screws, I should say. Excuse me. Just because it's a lot more convenient, a lot easier to work with here. There we go. Now, for the fun part. This is the part I enjoy. And that is mounting these switches. All right. Now for the plug. This is why these are, I don't recommend these cover plates. These are just, I suppose they look nice, that's what the client wants, but I'm not putting them in, I'm not happy with them, I don't like them. They're awkward and to install. These little screws that come with it. And there we go, guys. Only things left now is to attach it to the box and fire it up. And that's it. So remember, guys, consult with your building codes, local building codes, your local electrical codes, and always be safe. Always have the power turned off. Verify your power's turned off. If you don't have a tester, plug a radio in, TV till you hit the breaker and that goes off. So whatever it takes to get the power shut off. And like and subscribe to this channel. It'll keep it going. And send your comments. I'd love to hear your comments. Until then, guys, always wonder what's next. I'm out.